Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you health-conscious snack enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of Munk packed nut and seed bars, specifically the peanut butter dark chocolate flavor. This, my friends, is hands down one of the best low-calorie snacks for cutting that you can find on the market. Just take a look at this. Munk packed nut and seed bars are gluten-free, low-carb, and keto-friendly, making them a fantastic choice for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on taste. Let's start by delving into the key features of this delicious snack. These bars are packed with goodness. They're plant-based, gluten-free, and contain zero added sugars. Plus, they're loaded with protein and healthy fats, which is perfect for anyone on a cutting or keto diet. Now, let's break down what goes into these bars. You've got peanuts, allulose, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, tapioca fiber, non-GMO corn fiber, and more. And guess what? The chocolatey goodness comes from alkalized cocoa powder and unsweetened chocolate. It's a snack that's both nutritious and indulgent. What's so impressive about Munk packed nut and seed bars is that they're designed to satisfy your cravings while keeping your health goals in check. They have just 1 gram of sugar, and with the added monk fruit extract, they achieve that perfect level of sweetness without any artificial additives. Let's talk numbers. Each bar delivers 5 grams of protein and is only 150 calories. And with just 3 grams of net carbs, you can enjoy these guilt-free without derailing your diet. Now, the most important part, how do they taste? Well, I can tell you firsthand that these bars are a delight for your taste buds. The combination of peanut butter and dark chocolate creates a sweet and salty symphony that's both satisfying and mouthwatering. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what other customers are saying. With a 4.6-star rating and over 700 reviews, it's clear that people love these bars. Customers mention how they enjoy the seed assortment and the fact that the bar doesn't stick to the packaging. Many have found these bars to be a perfect snack for their keto or low-carb diet. Beyond the taste, these bars are also incredibly convenient. They're individually packaged, making them easy to toss into your bag or gym kit for a quick and healthy snack on the go. Now, let's talk about the price. While they might be a bit pricier than some other snacks, many customers believe that the quality and taste make it worth every penny. So there you have it, folks, the Munk packed nut and seed bar peanut butter dark chocolate. If you're looking for a satisfying, low-calorie snack that's perfect for cutting, this is it. With its health-conscious ingredients and delicious taste, it's no wonder these bars have garnered such positive reviews. Have you tried these bars? What's your favorite flavor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on products that make your life better. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay healthy and snack smart.